Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is a decadent Snickers and peanut butter milkshake. They are super easy to make and you don't need an ice cream to make this milkshake. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take a blender and to this we will add 2 Snicker bars. So each Snicker bars weigh around 22 grams, so it'll be like 44 grams of Snickers in total. So chop them up into small pieces and add that to the blender. Now take 1 1/4 cup of chilled milk. I'm not going to add the entire portion of the milk right now. I'm just going to add a little bit so that the Snickers will get well blended. Close the lid and let it blend for 30 to 40 seconds or until the Snickers is well blended. Okay, so our Snickers is well blended with the milk. So now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Let's add the remaining milk. One-fourth cup of chilled whipping cream. Now this is the ingredient that is going to make the milkshake a lot more frothy. Also, this gives a thick consistency to the milkshake. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And finally, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. If you're not a big fan of peanut butter, then you can replace the peanut butter and sugar with another bar of Snickers. Close the lid and let it blend for 60 seconds or until nice and frothy. Our milkshake is ready, so now let's prepare the garnish for the milkshake. So I have taken 1 Snicker bar and I'm going to chop them into small pieces. Now I've taken 2 wafer rolls and I'm going to crush them using my finger. Let us move the garnishes aside. So I've taken a mason jar to serve the milkshake. I have taken some chocolate sauce to decorate the mason jar. So I'm going to take a spoonful of chocolate sauce and I'm going to pour that into the mason jar by roughly coating the sides of the jar. You can repeat this step until you are satisfied with the total look of the glass. Now I'm going to take some peanut butter and with the back of a spoon I'm going to apply the peanut butter on the top part, on the rim of the mason jar. This peanut butter will help the Snicker bits and wafer roll bits that we have prepared before to stick onto the mason jar. Alright, so I'm going to take the prepared bits of Snickers and wafer roll and I'm going to stick them onto the mason jar and I'm going to stick them one by one so that it looks nice and neat. So I'm going to skip that part. Okay, so it's almost done over here. Alright, so our glass is ready. So let's pour in the milkshake. So one piece of advice would be that to prepare the glass in at once and then prepare the milkshake. I made the other way around and my milkshake did melt. So prepare the other way around, like prepare the glass first and then the milkshake to get a thick milkshake. I've taken some whipped cream in a piping bag and I'm going to top the milkshake with the whipped cream. make it a good swirl. I am going to drizzle again with some more chocolate sauce. The remaining chopped bits of Snickers. I'm going to add in 2 wafer rolls. And finally, a piece of Snickers. There we go, our Snickers and peanut butter milkshake. They are super rich, decadent and super easy to make. Except for preparing the glass, I would say. But do try them out, guys. Go crazy and garnish your glass in any way you like. Be artistic. Do try them out and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.